This is the Train Domain's weekly tips and tricks video. This week's tip is attaching and inserting images in Outlook messages. If you wish to send an image via Outlook, there are two options. You can attach the image as a file so the recipient can open upon receiving the email. You can also embed the image in the body of the email. Please note this demonstration is being done in Microsoft 2016 version of Outlook, which has more features than earlier versions. First, let's review the steps for attaching an image. On the Message tab, click the Attach File button. The files most recently accessed will be listed. Select the Browse this PC or Browse Web location to access additional documents. Click on the desired image. You can also drag and drop an image in the email. The email recipient is able to open the file upon receipt of the email. If you would like the image embedded in the email message, select the Insert tab and click Pictures. Navigate to the appropriate location where the file is stored and double-click on the desired image. The image will display in the body of the email when the recipient reviews the message. If you like this video, please hit that like button, share, and don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms for more tips and tricks videos from the Train Domain.